Hello, welcome to GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel. Well, now I see you again and you see me again. Well, anyway, it's raining outside, so I hope it won't disturb my audio here. Well, anyway, today I'm doing this a video, unboxing video. Let me show you what's on my table first. Okay, so there you are. So this is a package that I received today from Postaju. That I got it from Shopee. The packaging looks good, fully sealed. Okay, so yeah, let us find out what's inside. Okay, so before I forget, so please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell for future video. Okay, aduh. Okay. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'll be unboxing this puzzle. Okay, let me change my video view for you for a clearer picture. Okay, now, okay, so I've ready my scissors. Okay, let's cut and see. Oh, hope it's not a bomb.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Okay, so yeah, I got two boxes here of. What is this? Wait. Be patient. Okay, anyway. Good packing. It's 2 unit of Baofeng Walkie Talkie. Okay. The Baofeng Walkie Talkie. So I'll just use one box. Okay. This is a Baofeng professional FM transceiver, sorry. Okay, and user-friendly design. Can you see that? Okay. I think probably here is more clearer. Okay. All right. Okay, Baofeng from China. Baofeng, made in China. Okay, so let's see inside. Voila! Okay, we have a manual book here, and it's in English. Okay, it's in English. Okay, till the end, it's in English. Wonderful. So this is it. Very nice and small and cute. Professional FM transceiver. Okay, the serial number on it. Okay, and this is the battery that provided, came together. It's a Lion battery and the capacity is 1008 milliampere. Okay, voltage is 7.4 volt. Okay, let's see what else we have. And this is the headset, the earpiece where you can connect as a hand-free kit. Okay, so you can see here clearer. And this is the antenna. Okay, antenna. Oh, okay, looks good. Like this. So as I understand, always install the antenna first before you power up. Okay, and we have a wrist lanyard for you to hang it here. Okay. And this is the power charger. Power charger is 10 volt with 0.5 ampere. Okay, and this is the clip. Okay, you can clip on your belt, right? And this is the charger, docking station charger. So I think, yeah, that's about it here. So Lion battery charger, DC 10 volt. Okay, So this is the charger when you plug on it, and this one goes to your wall plug. Okay, so let's try power up this new walkie-talkie. So supposed to be like this. Yep, and push. All right, so let's turn it on. There you are. Channel mode. Okay, I show you another time. Okay, from here. Okay, so you hear that? Okay, so it's very handy and light, and very light. Wow, cute. Okay. Frequency mode. Okay. Wow, very loud. You can call. Oh, see, there's an interference. FM radio. FM 10070. Okay. Okay, what else we have here? Okay. So there's an interference also when I press the PTT, and you can hear that my audio is changing. See, huh? There you are. And my video goes freeze. Okay, my video freeze. Wait, let me try again. Okay, confirm my video freeze. I think, yeah, probably there's an interference. Let me see if I can deactivate and reactivate. Okay, that's all right. So seems it's gone. Anyway, so I can't show my desktop video anymore. So never mind, just change. I think, yeah, that's all. It's very handy. Small. Okay. So I think that's about it. Okay. Sorry that my action cam Icon H9R, I think probably problem during I press the PTT. Anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, I see you on my next video. See you.